So food preparation, and then we'll talk a little bit about packaging. We slice. Let me see if I can write on this thing. I hope I can write on it. Right? No, that's not right. Undo. Where's the undo button? Here? Yeah, that's probably the one. Can I make it thicker? Maybe a little bit thicker. And maybe some nicer color like blue. Okay, we slice. We can slice our bread, S-L-I-C-E. Into circular discs, or we can slice bread or anything into crossways or crosswise. Okay. We can dice into small cubes, D-I-C-E, or we can, I guess I need to use that, or we can mince, M-I-N-C-E, mince. You should probably try these before you look at this video to see if you can do them before. And fast forward it if you need to, or go slower, faster, whatever. Chestnut, garlic, so G-A-R-L-I-C. Okay. Or we can G-R-I-N-D, grind nuts or coffee into smaller pieces. We can chop some food, which is a general word for cutting with a knife. Okay. We wash and then we peel, P-E-E-L, P-E-E-L, potatoes, apples, onions, and things before we cut them. We stir a pot of soup, not mix, stir a pot of soup so it does not burn onto the bottom. B-U-R-N, burn onto the bottom. We don't want it to burn. We can melt some butter in the microwave or on the stove. Micro, M-I-C-R-O, W-A-V-E, wave, microwave. We can frost, or in British English, we can ice a cake. We can add salt to food, or we can sprinkle salt on food. Sprinkle salt on food. Add food, salt to food for more flavor. Yeah, we want something with more flavor. We can, I think I have to, can I erase that? It doesn't want me to erase it, does it? Okay, we can sift, S-I-F-T, sift flour, or confectioner's sugar. In USA, Mochkovi sugar, they call it confectioner's sugar. And in British English, it's icing sugar. So we can sift it. If it has lumps in it, we want to get the lumps out. And we can, if there's water in some pasta, when you cook your pasta and you're finished and you want to get the water out, you can strain out the water or strain off the water. Both are good. What's the tool you use to strain out the water? A strainer. We use a strainer to strain out the water. Barman is a bar in the USA. It's a bar, B-A-R-T-E-N-D-E-R, bartender. Bartender is the person at the bar. They take care of the bar. They tend to the bar, and they can pour you some water or a glass of beer. Okay? If food is good, yum. This food is yummy. Or this food is, there are many. You can say this food is, this is a very common one. delicious. Delicious. This food is very tastey. Tasty. This food is wonderful, terrific, fantastic. Wonderful, terrific, fantastic. This food is, maybe somebody makes you a dark chocolate, rich dark chocolate cake. A rich dark chocolate cake. Yummy. Be born excellent also. Otsat in English is vinegar. 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 Person in charge of a kitchen in a restaurant or maybe at home is the chef of the kitchen. Eggs. We cook eggs many different ways. One way we can cook eggs is we can mix them in a pan. We would call these, when they're mixed up, they're scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are mixed in a pan. Poached eggs. Poached. Poached eggs are cooked. Poached eggs are cooked in almost boiling water, in simmering water. Okay. Now, if you leave the shell on the egg and you cook the egg whole in boiling water, these are called hard. H-A-R-D. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are cooked whole, without peeling. You use them for your egg salad. Then before we eat them, we must peel them. Okay. If we put the liquid eggs in the pan, but we don't mix it, and we can put cooked vegetables inside and fold it over, these are omelette. Okay. Next. I love how you made this dish. Can you give me the recipe? R-E-C-E-P-I-P-E. Pardon me. Let me undo. R-E-C-I-P-E. There we go. Recipe. We eat soup with a S-P-O-O-N, spoon, and meat with a F-O-R-K, fork, and a K-N-I-F-E, a fork and a knife. By the way, plural knife is knives. Plural knife is K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. And all of these together, these eating utensils are called silverware, W-A-R-E. Okay. We put cereal in a bowl, maybe. We serve food on a plate or a big platter, a big plate. Okay? We freeze water to make ice or ice cubes. We freeze water to make ice cubes. To make some cookies or similar things, in a bowl we have butter and sugar. We, with a spoon, usually, sometimes with a mixer, we cream the butter and sugar together. Be careful, it's not cream, we're not making cream, but we're mixing very well the butter and sugar together in a bowl, and it's called creaming. We eat 3 times per day, or 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and the evening meal is dinner, or another word for dinner, supper. S-U-P-P-E-R, supper. Okay? Packaging. Crisps are potato chips in the USA. Potato chips. Okay? Crisps are potato chips, and let's try something here. Oops. B-A-G, a bag of potato chips, a bag of flour. Sometimes people will say a sack of flour. Usually if it's a big bag, giant bag, used to be made out of cloth. Okay? And I think sometimes British people might say a pack or package of chips, crisps. We use potato chips in USA. Of chocolates or cereal, a box of chocolates, a box of cereal, a metal can of beans, a bottle of juice or wine or beer. It can be also a glass, but like, can I have a glass of juice, please? Okay. Of bread, slice is 1 piece, or you need to know both of these. A loaf of bread is the whole thing. Okay. A bunch of grapes or bananas. A bunch of grapes or bananas. A piece of cake. Interesting idiom in English. When something's really easy to do, we say, piece of cake. Okay? 12 eggs. There's a special word for 12 eggs. We call it a D-O-Z-E-N. A dozen. A dozen eggs. And how much is, what's 6 eggs? 6 eggs is a half a dozen of eggs. A jar of peanut butter. A tube of toothpaste. Okay. Small glass of vodka or some alcohol is usually a shot of alcohol, and it's usually about 2 ounces. OZ is a unit of measure for weight. 2 ounces. Lettuce, we say a head of lettuce. A piece of pizza, P-I-E-C-E, P-I-E-C-E, a C-L-O-V-E, clove of garlic, and it's not food, but we go to the grocery store to get food, and we buy a roll of, R-O-L-L, of toilet paper or paper towels to clean up some big messes in the kitchen. Some paper towels are convenient to have.